And the race is on for a good order. Kyrick down on the inside. Madera rushing up in between runners alongside his Bagong Silang. Madera, Kyrick, Bagong Silang, Showmaster. Don Ezekiel is racing impeded by Sam Porlang. Then comes Abon Straysure, Bruno, Prying Eyes, and Faragut's Order. Madera, the leader, followed by Kyrick, Showmaster, in between runners alongside his Bagong Silang. Nearing the far turn, Madera by 3/4 of a length, Showmaster. Bagong Silang from the outside, Kyrick down on the inside. Rounding the far turn, Madera, Kyrick is sneaking by the rail, Showmaster and Bagong Silang alongside as they swing for Madera by Anek. Kyrick down on the inside, Showmaster and Bagong Silang. And nearing the last 200 meters more to run, Kyrick is running down on the inside and Madera from the outside is Bagong Silang and Showmaster. Kyrick, Madera fighting back from the outside, but still Kyrick. And finally Kyrick, Madera, Showmaster, Bagong Silang, and Faragut's Order for your Fentafecta.